Shoutout sa'yo, Utol dos veces closet. Sabi niya, from 60 to 55 kilos in 3 months. Yes, calorie deficit and intermittent fasting, minsan lang ang workout. Tandaan mo, Utol, ang workout, ang exercise, that's only 20% responsible for your weight loss, for your fat loss. Ang most talaga na magkakatalo tayo is kung nakakapag-calorie deficit ka ba. Ah, hindi ko nire-recommend na wag mag-exercise. Pero kahit hindi ka mag-exercise, as long as naka-calorie deficit ka, meaning to say, mas mababa ang kinakain mo compared to your maintenance calories, definitely, Utol, maglulose ka talaga ng weight. Thank you! I'm acknowledging you and honoring you for your comment. Salamat dahil maraming mai-inspire dito, lalo na yung mga tao na iniisip nila na possible pa kaya na pumayat ako. Etong comment mo, Utol, maraming mai-inspire to na yes, possible na pumayat kahit minsan lang ang workout. Good job, great job. Ano pa bang job? Wag na, bastos yon. Sana nakatulong. Follow for more tips.